While building a solution on Salesforce or in any other platform, it is always a best practice to check if the requirement can be solved with out of the box features provided by the platform or by the low code tool provided by the platform instead of directly solving it using the programming approach. This is done to ensure that the application does not require high maintenance and chances of issues are always reduced once it is used by real users. So when we are about to solve a use case, it is always recommended to check if the requirement can be solved using a low code tool such as OmniStudio or flows in Salesforce during the design phase of the build. In this video, let's see the features of OmniStudio, which will help us to decide if a requirement should be solved using OmniStudio or not. So the first one is drag and drop configuration. Easily design custom user experience. No need for complex coding. So the user experience that we saw in our demo was completely built using the drag and drop capabilities of OmniStudio. Number two, omni-channel support. Deploy and update experience across multiple devices and channels. Ensure a consistent user experience everywhere. So a perfect user experience is something which should remain consistent irrespective of the device. So the user experience built using OmniStudio will be consistent on various devices such as browser, mobile and tablets without needing any additional customization. Number three, increased productivity. So OmniStudio streamlines processes for users, save time and effort, and boost efficiency. So as we discussed in our introduction video, that OmniStudio allows us to build solution right in the Salesforce platform without requiring user to navigate out of Salesforce. So for example, while development, you don't have to use any other external tools, and you will be able to perform your development task from Salesforce UI itself. The preview feature given by many of the OmniStudio tools gives real-time feedback so that a developer can quickly make the changes and test it again. Hence, it will save the time and it will increase the efficiency. Number four, integration tools. Connect seamlessly with the enterprise application, integrate data from various sources for a unified experience. OmniStudio allows us to access data from Salesforce org as well as any data that is residing outside of Salesforce. So using one of the tool which we will discuss in our upcoming videos named as integration procedures, we will be able to get the data from external sources and display it right into the Salesforce UI. So for example, customer data can be retrieved directly from Salesforce, but those customers billing or invoice data is stored in some third party system, let's say SAP. Now using OmniStudio, we will be able to bring the external data and can show on the same screen alongside the Salesforce data. Number five, industry specific templates. So OmniStudio provides pre-built templates and feature tailored to specific industries like insurance, healthcare, or telecommunication to speed up deployment and reduce customization. So Salesforce had purchased and merged Velocity as OmniStudio. Velocity is famous since it already have pre-built solution for various industries. Those solution will be available to us as a pre-built template and can be used to make minor changes to meet our requirement. This will reduce the development effort significantly. So these are some of the features of OmniStudio. Going forward, when we are discussing the individual tool within OmniStudio, we will understand the features provided by each of them in detail.